my channel. In today's video we are cleaning and prepping for Amora's 4th birthday party, which we are holding at our house tomorrow. There is so much to get done today and I've already been running around like a headless chicken, hence why I probably look flustered and sweaty, but it's a really muggy day. The weather is grey, there's spots of rain, and then it's hot and sunny. It's just feeling really muggy in this house, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, for tomorrow it stays dry because I want to have most of the party outside in the garden, but we can't do too much garden prep today because it has been raining. But today Aid's mum has got all 6 of the kids, so it just feels really nice to be able to clean and not have anyone mess it up straight after, because we are in the midst of the 6-week holiday and I find that I'm just going around in circles because I tidy one area and then the kids have like completely trashed another area, or just something's happened, and it's nice to not have that feeling today. But that being said, there is lots to do, so I thought I would just take you along with us. We are doing her a Barbie themed party. Of course, the Barbie movie has just come out and there's lots of Barbie stuff in the shop. Thought it'd be a really fun theme to do, like pink and all the girly stuff. And Amora is the biggest, girliest girl. She just absolutely loves the colour pink. She just loves anything makeup, anything princess dresses. So I feel like tomorrow she's really going to love it. Hopefully this video will be a bit of food prep, party prep, cleaning the house. I have my amazing neighbour coming over tomorrow to do her a fabulous setup for her birthday, like a balloon setup with some panels and things. So that'll be exciting. So hopefully I'll show you that all tomorrow. But yeah, let's get on with today and let's get ready for this party. So actually, before I begin party prepping, I am going to unbox my new artificial olive tree because it's been sat in the box for a while and I thought now would be the perfect time to get it out before we have people around our house, and it is such a beauty. I am so in love with it. It's from Amazon. I will leave it linked down below if you're interested. I think I went for the 6-foot tree. It might have been the 5-foot. Again, I will leave that information down below, but I love it so much. I think it looks really nice and realistic, and yeah, I'm just loving this new olive tree.
Talk to me, it's what I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn.
Cute! We're in the living room and I just set up my brand new olive tree, which has been sat in the box and I've been waiting to get it out and put it all together, but I wanted to capture it on camera and I am absolutely obsessed with it. I will leave it linked down below if you are interested in getting this tree. It's a faux olive tree, but I just think it looks so realistic and yeah, just really beautiful, and it's going to be minimal to zero maintenance, so that is great. And then over here I've set up the Barbie box. So this is going to be the Barbie box for some photo opportunities and for the kids and things to get in and have a little play tomorrow and pretend they are Barbie. So I think this one is a 5-foot Barbie house. As you can see in the mirror, I think I'm about 5'1" and it's nearly to the top of my head. I'm not sure if I can get in there. I might be able to crouch in there tomorrow, but it's mainly going to be for the kids. Then down here in this bag, I basically have everything that I sorted and organised for the party bags. So we have 17 kids coming, so I've got 17 party bags. I've just tipped the bag out, but I got these pink boxes from, I think it's called Kids Craft. If I got it right, again, I'll try and link as much as I can below. They were 47p, so I thought that was a really good price. We also have packets of Haribo that me and the kids actually sorted out yesterday to make sure we had the right amount. I saw this in Poundland the other week, so this is a 16-piece party pack set, which, as you can see, has all of these fun little bits and bobs in it. And I thought that was quite a good price. I can't remember the exact price. I want to say it was around £3, £3.50. I just remember thinking it was quite good for party bag stuff, because I find party bag stuff can actually get really expensive. And then I also found, which I'm not even going to be sure which bits came in it now, they did a pink party set in Asda. I'll leave it on the screen for you here. That was really good. It's like little combs like this and wands and things. I think they had like these lip whistles. I find that doing party bags gets quite expensive, and these bits have really helped me out. So if you are doing a girly birthday party or like a Barbie party or something like this, or a princess party, then Poundland and Asda, they would be great places to find your party bag bits. And then I also did get from Poundland some extra little bits here for a couple of the boys come in. So they had a pack of 4 footballs, which I think were £1.25. I also got these. Where did I pick up these? Oh, I did get these in Tesco's. So they did a pack of 4 Spot the Difference booklets, a pack of 8 bubble ones like this from Poundland. I think they were £1.25. So yeah, Poundland is definitely a great place to look for some little party bag bits. I got these Barbie stickers from Etsy or eBay, one of them, and I'm hoping to stick one of these on each box. I'll put you on a time lapse now, and let's get these party bags packed.
Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. You wanna fall in love. Would you get this feeling? Wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and have me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving. Hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight.
Party bags all done, and next on my list was to wrap a couple of Amora's presents, so that is just what I'm going to do next.
Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in.
Moving on to wrapping the Pass the Parcel game, I'm just using this Play-Doh set here. I wasn't sure what the Pass the Parcel etiquette was. Do you wrap a layer for each child attending the party so that they all get to have a chance at wrapping? Or do you just wrap a few layers and then it just depends who wins? I wasn't sure which way to go, but I ended up going with wrapping a layer for each person at the party. I ended up actually wrapping even more so because it kept going round and round and we didn't know who was going to win the prize at the end, which was quite fun. And I put a little packet of Haribo under each layer for the kids to open. On to creating some fancy ice for the party, because who doesn't love some lovely decorated ice in an ice cooling box? So first of all, I have these heart-shaped ice cubes, which I'm just adding a little bit of red food colouring in there to just give them a little pop of red so that they really stand out in our ice cooling box tomorrow. And then I am also going to make some frozen fruit ice cubes. So I'd already frozen half a layer in the bottom of these ice cubes here, so that had been in the freezer since yesterday, so that was nice and hard, so I can put the fruit on top so it kind of stays in the middle of the ice cube, and then I will fill these up with water and then put them back in the freezer to freeze ready for the next day. Then, trying to be that Pinterest mum, I found these little Barbie tumblers on Pinterest, so I decided to try and create them myself instead of trying to find someone who made them, because I just thought it'd work out cheaper. So I got these plastic tumbler cups off of Amazon. I think it was a pack of 50, which was relatively inexpensive. I will pop that in the description box down below if you're interested. And then I also ordered these Barbie decal faces, which I could just stick onto the cups, and I think they're washable, and I'm pretty sure you can put them on your drinking cups. I mean, I don't think they'd be dishwasher friendly, but you could definitely wash them under the tap, and yeah, they worked out really, really nice. We have some left over, so I might end up decorating some other little cups with them. And then I just added these pink straws, which I also got from Amazon, and I just thought they would be a cute little touch for the kids to drink out of at the party.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time.
So I just set up a little table inside for the kids to have some food at. I'm probably going to set up more of this kind of display outside tomorrow when it's not raining, because it seems to continue raining into the afternoon, evening here. So I'm just fingers crossed that tomorrow it does stay dry. But I did set this up because I just wanted to see what it all looks like together. So I just brought the table in from the playroom here. We have some plates. I've got a baby pink plate that I got from Amazon underneath. Again, I'll link everything below. This Amazon plate came with the large plate, a smaller plate, the napkin, and also some baby pink drinking cups, which are really cute. So I'm going to use those for like the adults to drink drinks out of tomorrow. Adults to drink drinks out of tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm making sense. I feel absolutely knackered now. Party boxes with the Barbie sticker, and then we also have these sunglasses on top, which are super cute. I think they were on a Hindu set from Amazon, because there was like one white one and then like 10 pink ones. Our little Barbie tumbler cups behind, and then to decorate the table, I didn't get a runner, which I kind of regret, but to be honest, this table was really, really small, so maybe I could pick up a runner for the outdoor outdoor tables tomorrow. I just put some of this gem confetti and star confetti, which I picked up in Poundland the other day. Like I said, Poundland are coming through with kind of the little decor pieces. So yeah, I think it looks really cute up together, and I think Amora's going to be made up when she sees this in the morning. We've got the Barbie box in the background there. Might put a few little balloons on the floor just to make it a little party area in our living room. Got the presents on top there, so I need to hide those. If you do have any questions on anything, please do leave it in the comments and I will try and get back to you if there is anything that you would like to know.
What you can do, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby I don't want to lead you on. Now I'm looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands.
Current scenes in the living room this morning. Chaos in the house because it has been raining all morning, so we are going to have to move the party indoors, which is such a shame. I feel like this happens to us every single year on Amora's birthday or the twins' birthday. At the twins' birthday it was very windy, so we couldn't have the bouncy castle which we'd planned for, and then today it's just raining and we planned to have everything out in the garden and a massive ball pit and for everyone to play on the swings and slide. And it's not going to happen, so we are trying to move the party inside. I don't know how we're going to cram everything into the house, but we're going to give it a go. So Scarlett, who has a soft play, has just started dropping a few bits over, and hopefully we can make it nice and party ready in here. So the setup is now organised inside, and as you can see, my neighbour has done the most incredible display here with panels and pink balloons for Amora's party, as well as this gorgeous soft play setup, and then it's personalised with her name and a Barbie face on it. It was the perfect Barbie girl party for Amora, nice and girly. I mean, we could only do what we could with the space, seeing as we couldn't have it all out in the garden, otherwise it would just create a mess, but it was just the perfect soft play area for the kids. They absolutely loved the soft play, and then this display, as you can see, was just absolutely stunning. In the end, on the actual day, it had stopped raining and was a little bit more dry, so the kids did manage to play outside, so that was quite good. So we had quite a nice bit of space to play outside, and then also the soft play inside, so it just worked out quite nicely on the day. Over here we had all of the fun pink snacks you could think of. I honestly tried to find anything pink in the stores to just make this little fun setup over here. And we also have the cake, which was made for us by my friend as Amora's birthday gift, which was so kind of her. I also managed to find these little sweet bags on Etsy, a company on Etsy, which I will link again down below for you. And they just say, let's go party. They were super cute. And I was a last minute Lucy ordering these. I think I ordered them on the Monday and they came by like the Wednesday, Thursday. Such quick delivery. Was really impressed by this company. And a couple of little snacks which I found in Home Bargains, which of course fit the Barbie theme with these Barbie snack cakes, and then also some Barbie popping candy, which again, Home Bargains, relatively inexpensive, so they were just perfect. The kids sandwiches, which I had lovingly cut into hearts and flowers, and then these lollies here, these Barbie gorgeous lollies, which are from Pop and Bloom, which is an Instagram shop, and she does the most amazing lollies. Here is a one for Amora's personalised birthday. So all the ice I made has made it into the ice cooler, which I found all of the pink drinks that I could. We also have the Barbie tumblers that I made, squash for the kids, and also candy floss for the drinks, which I thought was really fun. And then here is also just the grazing table, which we set up for everyone to eat.
The dark, with every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amora. Happy birthday to you. Yay! is it?
It's a hamster.
Oh wow.
It's a big one!
It's a big one.
Yeah!